Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with your Saturday couponing deals for Dollar General. These are your 5 off 25 deals. But first we have our cheat sheet ready for you, and we have 5 different screenshots for this cheat sheet. You can print it out for free at rolloutsavings.com. I will link to that below. I will actually link directly to the cheat sheet printable link in the description box as well. So as this plays through, remember, any item that we show you in these deals, make sure you are scanning them in store to make sure that they are attaching to the coupons, because sometimes the scent, the size, the UPC, it does not attach to coupons. So up first, we're going to go through our household deals, which is your cleaning, your paper, and your laundry items. And our first deal is $18.15. You're going to get your Clorox wipes, your Persil, your Gain softener, Gain beads, and some Cottonelle toilet paper. Then for $9, you're going to get your Scott Comfort Plus. This is the $10 pack. It's on sale for $10. You're going to get 2 of the Axe body wash and the Febreze fabric spray, and you will pay just $9. This deal here is $11.90. You're going to get your larger Persil, your smaller Persil, the Snuggle Sheets, the Axe body wash, and the Axe deodorant. Again, make sure you're scanning because some scents are not attaching to the $5.50 Persil coupon. This next deal, you're going to pay $18.25. You're going to get your Purex crystals, the Persil, the Snuggle, and the Scott Comfort Plus. Make sure you clip that $3 cash back for the Purex, and it will be like you're paying $15.25 after you get that cash back. For $17.85, you're going to get your Gain Relax Flings, your Gain Softener, and some Cottonelle toilet paper. Again, that's $17.85. This next Gain deal is $13.80. You're going to get your liquid, your flings, your Gain Softener, and the sheets, plus an advanced warmer. That will be $13.80. And all of these deals are geared towards new system. They will work at any system, really. For $16.35, you're going to get your Tide, your Mr. Clean liquid, your Febreze fabric spray, and some Downy sheets. And that would be $16.35 after your coupons. Remember, everything is before tax. Up next, we're going to go into our personal care deals. We're going to start off with paying $4 on this deal. You're going to get 2 of the Axe body wash, the Febreze fabric spray, the Garnier micellar water, and an advanced warmer, and that would be $4. Our next deal coming up is $4.45. You're going to get your Axe body wash, deodorant, the micellar water, the advanced warmer, and the Febreze fabric. That was just another option for you using the same coupons and just adding in something. This next deal here is $10.35. You're going to get 2 of the Axe body wash, the Secret Whole Body, and the ZzzQuil, and that will be $10.35. Our next personal care deal is $9.45. You're going to get 2 Elvive shampoo and conditioner, 1 of each, the Axe body wash, deodorant, and a Skintimate violet razor, and that will be $9.45. This one here, you're going to get the Garnier micellar water and 2 Elvive shampoo or conditioner, and the Venus razor that you see there, that will be $12. Up next, for $19, you're going to get 2 of the Always Discreet incontinence pads. Those are on sale. 2 for $30, and using the $6 and the 5 off 25 would make it $19. For $13.85, you're going to get your Intuition razor. Scan. There are 2 different packages. One attaches, one doesn't. And you're going to get your OGX shampoo and conditioner plus some Icy Hot, and that will be $13.85. Remember to scan those razors. Now we're going to go into our baby deals. Our first deal is $16.50. You're going to get the large box of Loves plus the Febreze fabric, and again, you're going to pay $16.50 on that. This baby deal is $19. You're going to get the Huggies diapers and the Dr. Brown's Good Start Gentle Pro formula. Again, $19 after your coupons. We are going to go into our grocery and pet deals. I have 2 grocery and 1 pet deal. There just wasn't great coupons for these this week. So for $14.75, you're going to get 2 of the Kellogg cereal that's on sale, 2 Knorr cups, the Dasani 24-pack of water, an advanced warmer, and a Maxwell House coffee, and pay just $14.75. This next food deal, you're going to pay $15.80. You're going to get that Maxwell House coffee, 2 Body Armor, 2 of the Quaker Chewy granola bars, and 2 of the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls for $15.80. And going into our last deal here, which is the pet deal for $15.85, you're going to get the Beneful dry food, 3 of the Beneful meal trays, and 3 of the Beneful Incredibites. Those are the cans for $1 each, and that would be $15.85. Let me know if you're excited about the deals. If you are disappointed in the coupons this week, be sure to like, follow, share, comment, all the good stuff. It's a free way to help our channel, and you can find us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. I will link that cheat sheet below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye!